At the beginning of your driving test, you'll be asked one show me, tell me question before you head out on your drive. This one is about how to check your tyre pressures. The tyre pressures for your car can either be found in your car handbook, or on my car, they're just inside the door. Make sure that you use a reliable gauge. You can find one at most petrol stations. I've got a portable one. Make sure that when you check your tyre pressures that the tyre is cool. Undo all your valve caps and take them off. Then attach your gauge. The gauge will then read it and you can give the tyre air or take it out as needed. Once you've tested the pressure, take off the gauge and then replace the valve caps to keep the valves clean. Once you've checked the 4 tyres, if you have a spare tyre, make sure that that's got some air in it. No point having a spare tyre if when you need it, it's flat. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more driving videos.